Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. Oops, cannot find my chair. um, as always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. I'm going to check the sound now. If my internet works. Oops, cannot find my chair. All right, the sound seems to be okay. Good morning, Joey. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Michelle. Good morning, Yanni. Good morning, Chris. Oops, sorry, I need to move my table because I can't fit into my chair apparently. Good morning, Judy. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Maria. Good morning, Sandra. All right, it is time for us to start. Today we will continue looking at the stories we get entrapped by and ways we can reframe them in order to free ourselves to create more space for real love and real connection. Actually, today we will look at uplifting stories others tell about us. Sharon Salzberg writes, "Just as the stories we tell ourselves shape our experiences, so do the stories others tell about us. They can come with either a positive or a negative spin, undermine us or support us. And sometimes they aren't even stories at all, but ideas conveyed by nonverbal signals, such as body language or facial expressions, or even by a single word or phrase. Somebody calls you shy, withholding, generous, or self-absorbed, and then you internalize it. And it's a gift when these stories lift us up. They remind us that we matter, and they reinforce real love for ourselves. There are so many different ways we can interpret our experiences based on the cues we internalize from others. For example, Sharon Salzberg tells the story about Gus. Gus was the middle of 5 brothers and almost from birth seemed to have been born in the wrong place. His Montana family loved the outdoors, camping, hunting, fishing. And Gus loved reading and music and hated hiking and roughhousing. As the boys grew older, Gus was the odd kid out. And he could have had a very lonely childhood. But his uncle Don saw him clearly and admired the boy's sensitivity. If he heard someone put Gus down, Uncle Don would intervene. Don't be so hard on Gus. Gus has a gift. And little by little, with Uncle Don's help, the whole family came to view Gus as someone unique, who should be celebrated for his differences. And he grew up seeing himself this way too. What a gift. When our loved ones mirror our goodness and strength, and their stories cast us in a positive light, we naturally feel more love for ourselves. So today, let's do a loving kindness practice toward ourselves through the eyes of one of such people in your life. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be natural, nice and soft, and allow all the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy. Easy, no struggle. And now imagine this person, someone whose words were uplifting to you in your childhood or maybe later in life. Your cheerleader, someone who has helped you shape empowering stories about yourself. If you can visualize this person, great. If visuals don't come easy to you, nothing to worry about. Just think about this person or say their name. There is no problem. No way to do this wrong. Imagine that there is a heart-to-heart connection between you and this person. Maybe you see this connection somehow as a thread of a certain color. Maybe it's more of a feeling of some energy exchange. Whatever it is for you, again, there is no way to do this wrong. And now imagine that this person is sending the words of loving kindness to you through this energetic heart-to-heart channel between you. And you just relax and receive. Imagine them saying, and you receiving, may you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you touch deep, natural peace. Now I'll be silent for a little while, and you just continue repeating these phrases or whatever other words are expressive of that which you would wish the most for yourself. Imagine that these words you are saying come from that dear person who has been an empowering force in your life. All kinds of different emotions may arise. You may feel gratitude and awe. You may feel shy or embarrassed. Whatever emotion arises, just let it pass through you as energy that it is. Continue with your phrases at a rhythm that feels comforting and soothing to you. Maybe imagine that your skin is porous and you're receiving this energy coming in with your whole body. If your mind wanders, no worries. Simply come back to your practice. Use your phrases as your touchstone, a grounding force. And we will complete the practice with sending loving kindness and gratitude to this person. Again, imagine that the energy of loving kindness and gratitude is being sent from you to this person through this heart-to-heart channel that you created at the beginning of the practice. And repeat after me. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you for being my source of empowerment. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for loving me just the way I am. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you touch deep, natural peace. When you feel ready, let go of the practice. Scan your body. Notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you in this moment, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to reflect some more on all those people who have been an uplifting force, empowering force in your life. All those people who helped you shape uplifting stories about yourself, who made you feel love just for who you are. Enjoy it and send them gratitude. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.